you see that they are the most serious people on the surface of the earth, according to our point of views and then our point of numerology context. So we are now going to, you see, no matter what, we get someone who was born or who is going to be born on 8th of the month, 8th of the day, and then 8th of the year. They are there, something like someone in the past, those who were born 8th August 1988. You see that they are the most serious people on the surface of the earth, according to our point of views and then our point of numerology context. So we are now going to talk about the benefits and the importance of it. From the Islamic point of view, in the Holy Quran, you see that 8 is the most expensive number. You forget about 1. As for 1 is God. As for 1 is God. So God is outstanding. We are talking of the creatures. 8, 6, and 2. They are the most important numbers so far. So we are now going to talk about the 8, and then we'll give you the real social life situation. Now when you look at the number 8, in the first place, you see that in the social activities or in the social real life situation, the 24 hours, the working hours is exactly 8 unanimously globally. It is from what you are going to do, you will do it within the category of 8 hours. That's the social reason of what we are doing. And then second, when you look at the biological context of 8, the maximum hours that a human being will relax, close his eyes, go to bed, and he will be healthy and sleep, the maximum is 8, as approved by some doctors and then some biologists. These are the social, biological, because we start that one, because that one is the surface. So don't think that we are saying the number is 8 is very important. And then when you look at 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the night, it is the average time for the beginning of human beings and the spirit. From 7 o'clock, you see everyone has finished his duties, those from the offices, those from market, those from football, academics, everything. Then from that time, it is the generation, it is the barrier between the physical world and then the spiritual world. Because after 8 o'clock, it is 9 o'clock. Then 9 o'clock, it is the time that all the spiritual things, the dwarfs, witches, and all the evil dwarfs or evil, what do you call spirit, they are now going to prepare themselves and then come out for creation. You see that it is the what? It is the barrier. So it serves as a protection. So on exactly 8 o'clock, if you are a Muslim or you are a Christian, when you pray around that time, your prayers will be answered. So it is a very important. So you see that this one is also a religious point of view. So from the physical or the social point of view, the working hours is 8 o'clock. From the biological point of view, sleeping hours is 8 o'clock. And from the spiritual point of view, it is the protection, the barrier between the physical world and the spiritual world. Now we are now going to the numerology context and then the Islamic point of view. And then from physical point of view, we are now going to from the physical, social, socio-economic point of view of 8. There are only things that we use on this surface of 8. There are only 8. The things that we use in our daily lives, be it a human being, be it a dwarf, be it an animal or insect, we only use 8 things in living. After that, if I mention them and you have any challenge, you are elsewhere, please, you are welcome to challenge me. But there are 8. 1, no any creature on this surface of the earth can live without water. That's 1. 2, fire. 3, the wind. Water, fire, the wind, the sand. That's 4. Then the stone. That's 5. The stone. That's 5. The metal. That's 6. The metal. That's 6. And then the, what do you call it? The grass. The grass. That's 7. The grass. That's 7. And the last one is the inanimate objects, like this plastic. You can't live with an inanimate object. Be it an animal, be it an insect, be a human being. Someone will say that how can an insect live without inanimate object? There are certain inanimate objects that are also there in the in the air. Something like the companies produces gas and the other things, which also I'm talking about the what do we inhale it with? We call it the one that we inhale, the air that we inhale. So there are certain objects they inhale. They have to inhale some gas which is mixed with the other one, the inanimate this thing. So these are the 8 things that human being